Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Ria. In today's video, I'm going to test out this Mars Cosmetics Fabulash Mascara. It's super hype mascara and I'm so excited about this. So let's just test it out if it's actually worth the hype or not. So let's just get started now. So this is the outer packaging of this mascara. Just a basic black cardboard box. At the back you can see all the information here. Mascara comes in a black tube with a gold wand. MRP of this mascara is rupees 199. This wand is a bit unique, I would say. One side comes in big bristles and another side has small bristles. The wand is a bit curvy from the inner side. Now let's start with the first coat. Applying it from the root to the tip of lashes. It is easy to reach the roots of the lashes for its inner curve shape. So this is the first coat. It looks natural on my lashes. Let me apply the second coat. And this is what the lashes look like. The applicator is a bit thick. It is a bit hard to apply mascara to lower lashes. You have to be very careful while doing this, otherwise it can be a mess. The texture of this mascara is super thick and creamy. It is jet black mascara and waterproof as well. And here I messed up a bit. Don't worry, it's easy to clean with a Q-tip. Just wipe it off with lightly. It will come off easily. Now let's go for the third coat because I want to see if this mascara gets clumpy or not. Here, as you can see, it did curl my lashes and provided a good length as well. It is super comfortable with one or two coats. I felt like nothing on my lashes. But after 3 to 4 coats, it feels a bit heavy on lashes. But it didn't clump my lashes at all. Look at the difference between two eyes, and here I'm back with after doing my other eye. I don't think I need any falsies. My lashes look so flattering. This mascara definitely gives super long and dramatic lashes, which I absolutely love. It's a super good mascara for this budget. You can definitely go for it. It is highly recommended. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this video, and if you have any queries or suggestions, then comment down below. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I love you all. Bye guys.